This is the asparagus fern, a common houseplant that isn't actually a fern despite its name. Let's take a closer look with Better Homes and Gardens. Asparagus ferns are tender perennials that can be grown as houseplants or outdoors in warm climates, though you'll mostly find asparagus ferns growing indoors for its bushy, lace-like foliage. They can also produce small white flowers followed by red berries. As potted houseplants, asparagus ferns should be placed in indirect or filtered light for best results. They do best in rich, well-drained soil. Asparagus ferns are drought-tolerant. You can reduce watering during winter months. You'll know when asparagus fern need to be divided or repotted. It produces lots of small, fleshy bulbs that start pushing the plant out of the pot. Loosen the plant from its pot and repot into a slightly larger container. You can also divide the plant. Just be sure to take several of the underground bulbs. You can pinch back the stem tips to promote denser growth and apply a weak liquid fertilizer about once a week during the active growing season. Here are 3 popular varieties you may see: the foxtail fern, the plumrose fern, and the Springieri asparagus fern, which is perhaps the most common. Now that you've learned more about asparagus ferns, go forth and plant.